Okay, so we've just come back from Cornwall, and what have we done? We've come down to Southsea to go to a Volkswagen meet. Hold on, wasn't we in Cornwall?
Yeah, there weren't any.
We didn't see any, but hey, let's go and see what's here. Let's go. Okay, so just walking in. I've not seen a camper van like this before. I'm guessing it's an ex-works one or something. Really, really strange. Check out the Beetle. Got a lovely Beetle convertible. But again, what was this? If you know what this was originally, because I'm guessing it used to be a trade vehicle of some kind. But it looks really cool. Love the video. If this Beetle isn't down on there, then it's not going anywhere. Let's face it. It's very cool. These vans, they either don't do a lot to them or they do loads. And look at this one. This one is just absolutely epic. Awesome theme of the Wizard of Oz. I mean, the detail on this looks really, really cool. I'm going to guess it's going to be a wrap, but it looks really, really smart. If that's airbrushed, please do let me know, because it's very, very, very well done. All sorts of different themes to these vans. Oh look, have you seen? They've actually got them up on the dashboard as well. That's really cool. It's a nice touch. Really nice caddy. Gotta love a caddy. I told you there'd be beach buggies here, wouldn't there? That's a really nice one as well. I like that. Next to a Mark II Cami Golf. Really nice. Love the rims on those. Check the rims out. Really, really nice. Actually, look how much the rim comes out because of the stretched tyres. You're scared to go near a curb, wouldn't you? Mark I Golf Cabriolet. So this is what I had, and this is the car that I regret getting rid of. Absolutely love these cars. Gorgeous machine. Now I've seen this before. Flip up headlamps. That's some real custom work. Again, more custom vans. Check out the side of this. It's done in bed liner, so it's obviously very hard wearing. I'm guessing that's airbrushed because it all looks really, really detailed and very, very cool. Interior's absolutely nuts as well. You're definitely not going to miss the interior. It's got little ducks like my daughter collects as well. Bonnet looks really cool. Some great details on this car. Oh, have you seen the number plate? Check out the number plate. Yep, well, there you go. What can you say? And then they don't just stop there, they also go in the interiors. Just check out this interior, it's absolutely wicked. Now this thing is crazy. I don't even know where to start. So obviously we've got the German theme going on. So you've got no dogs allowed. It gives you the dates, May and September, on the beach I'm guessing. Again, I think this is bed liner. But you've got solar panels, you've got just so many things going on. It's just wicked. Is that a moose? No moose?
It's a video and you can go inside.
Pop the eye on it.
Oh yeah.
So many things inside of it, just too much detail to get it all in one video. Really clean Beetle. Oh look, it's Herbie. You've got to love Herbie. This is where it all started for a lot of people. I've got to get a picture of Herbie. I think you'd be scared shitless in one of these, wouldn't you?
With you, yeah.
Oh, with me, yeah. Not anyone else. I think you'll find that runs like that because it's got the holes in it so you can see through it.
Yeah.
I can't imagine it's police think much of it though. Now that's a very nice Porsche. That's a beautiful colour. You say about restored. Look at how that was. 1960. Gee, that's a lot. Look at all of that. Wow.
Yeah. Oh, my mate just sold his satin black one actually. He had a satin black.
That's very impressive.
Yeah, Rob. Rob. Weird. Yeah, rough looking one. Yeah.
And the calming gear next to it. Not seeing like this very often. See, the tracks are made out of beetles as well. See, that's how I'm used to seeing the calming gear. That's a very different version. So, very different. It's good having a camera. People just walk out. So my big thing. I mean, look, that's quite a cool picture. Let's grab a picture of that. All the bugs beside each other.
Well, he probably did it.
That's a very cool shot. But I wanted to go and have a look at this, because this thing's nuts. Baja bug. This is wicked, I love this. I reckon you can have a lot of fun in there. Just a quick interruption to our video today to thank our sponsors, Dragon Car Audio and Security. They're based in Fareham and they can deal with all of your audio and security needs. I've put their telephone number down here so you can give them a call, but you will find all of their links in our description. Well, do hit them up if you need any audio or security, and well, let's get back to our video.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say.
Have you seen the dead bird in the face? And the rat's going at the pipe.
Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed.